Curious to know the remarkable science behind what happens to your body when you stop eating? We all know that when we eat, our bodies kickstart a series of biological processes to digest and utilize the nutrients for various functions like muscle repair, cell creation, and storing extra fuel as fat. But what's not commonly known is that when you refrain from eating, a completely different set of biological processes take place, which is just as essential and advantageous as those after a meal. While extended fasting can have adverse effects, there are also misunderstandings about what actually happens to your body when you stop eating. Today, we're here to shed a light on the fascinating science behind fasting and its benefits for your health. Get ready to uncover the truth and explore the wonders of how your body responds during its natural process. But before we head further, spare a moment and subscribe to our channel, Fitness Fusion.
Our labs, we always have caloric restricted animal. Okay, You take brothers, two groups, one eat whatever they want, the other gets 60% of that. And they live 40% longer and healthier.
Immune system support. Some research suggests that fasting may have positive effects on the immune system. During fasting, your body may shift resources away from digestion and allocate them to cellular repair and regeneration. This process can support immune health as the body uses the energy saved from digestion to strengthen the immune system's response. Studies in animals and humans have shown that intermittent fasting can enhance immune cell function and increase the production of specific immune proteins. Brain health. Fasting may also have potential benefits for brain health. During fasting, the brain may experience increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) production. It plays a crucial role in neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself in response to experiences. Higher levels of BDNF are associated with improved cognitive function, enhanced memory, and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. However, it's important to note that the research on fasting and brain health still is in its early stages, and more studies are needed to understand the potential benefits and mechanisms involved. Glycogen depletion. Glycogen is a complex carbohydrate stored in the liver and muscles. It serves as a readily available source of energy that can be quickly converted into glucose when the body needs fuel. When you stop eating, your body taps into its glycogen stores to maintain normal blood sugar levels and provide energy for essential functions. If you continue fasting or significantly restrict calorie intake for an extended period, such as during prolonged fasting or certain types of diets, the body exhausts its glycogen reserves. When this happens, the body must find alternative energy sources to sustain its functions. Switching to ketosis. After several hours without food, your body's glucose levels decline, and it begins to utilize an alternative energy source called ketones. Ketones are produced from the breakdown of stored fat. This metabolic state is known as ketosis, and it becomes more prominent during prolonged fasting or low carbohydrate diets. Metabolic changes. Short-term fasting can lead to temporary metabolic changes. Your body adjusts its metabolic rate to conserve energy during the fasting period. However, these changes are relatively small and are mostly reversed once you resume eating. Cellular repair and autophagy. When you stop eating and your body enters its fasting state, it initiates a fascinating process known as autophagy. Autophagy is a natural and vital cellular process involving the breakdown and recycling of damaged and dysfunctional cell components. During this process, cells remove waste, repair damaged organelles, and recycle unnecessary or dysfunctional proteins, ensuring the cell's optimal functioning. Amazing, isn't it? Moreover, researchers have shown that the process of autophagy triggers anti-aging factors and reduces the risk of cancer. Hormonal regulation. Hormones play a significant role in fasting. When you stop eating, insulin levels decrease, allowing your body to use stored glucose and fat for energy. Glucagon levels rise, stimulating the release of glucose from the liver. Additionally, the hormone ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, rises during fasting. Ghrelin stimulates the appetite and encourages you to eat. The increase in ghrelin levels is a natural response to fasting, as your body tries to ensure you replenish your energy stores when the food becomes available again. Muscle preservation. Despite common misconceptions, short-term fasting does not lead to significant muscle loss. Your body prioritizes fat breakdown over muscle breakdown during fasting. Muscle loss may occur during prolonged fasting or very low-calorie diets, especially in insufficient protein intake. To maintain muscle mass, ensuring an adequate protein intake and engaging in regular physical activity is essential. Remember, fasting can have both positive and negative effects, depending on its duration and individual factors. Always consult a healthcare professional before attempting any prolonged fasting to ensure it aligns with your health and lifestyle. This will save you from any potential harm that may be caused. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fitness Fusion, for more informative videos.